Hey, it's Stefan from Bluffworks. Guys often tell us, I love my Bluffworks blazer so much, I'm scared to wash it. But we specifically made it so you can wash your blazer. Here's how to do it. Check the care instructions located inside the chest pocket of your blazer, as they can be slightly different for each one. Set the washer. Throw your blazer in the machine. Maybe celebrate the time and money you saved by not going to the dry cleaner. This is important. When the wash cycle is done, promptly remove your blazer to prevent creases from setting in. To dry your blazer, you can either hang it, which will most ultra preserve the life of the fabric, or do like I do and pop it in the dryer on low setting, not zero heat, but low heat, and let the machine do the work. When it's done, again, it's important to promptly remove your blazer from the dryer. I often pull out my blazer a little early when it's still a touch damp and hang. Here's the thing. Once you get your jacket looking good, it'll stay that way for a long time. If you goof it up or ever need a quick refresh, you can always stick it in the dryer with a damp cloth on low heat for 5 or 10 minutes to remove creases anytime. No big deal. If you have trouble, feel free to reach out to our customer service. We'd love to help. I always feel like my Bluffworks blazer has my back. It should be that way for you too. Bluff on.